Welcome to section 6. In this section, we'll first learn how to count, then we'll learn how to say this, that, and these in Dutch. We'll see how to connect sentences and some other little words. As a bonus, we'll see some funny Dutch expressions. But first, the counting. We've seen 1, 2, 3, which is a 1, 2, 3. Now, let's see how that goes further. It sounds similar to English. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. This might seem a lot to you first. However, notice that from 15 on, the numbers are a combination of 5 and 10. 5, 10. And then 6 and 10 until 19. This pattern continues from 20 on, but it's with an N in between. So it's 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Notice that the accent of the 1 in 21 disappears. Well, both accents. Notice as well those two dots above the N in 22 and 23. The double dots indicate where you have to split the vowels, and it's just before the vowel with the two dots on. In this case, for 23, for example, 23, you could pronounce 23 if you consider the I as one, so only the I. So the double dots are there for pronunciation reasons. And if you see those dots as well somewhere else, they help you pronounce the words. And they are only used on vowels. Moving on with the counting. The pattern from 21 to 30 is repeated. So we'll only see 40, 50 and so on. So that's 40, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it's 41, 42, and so on. You can notice that the 70 is based on 7, just like in English, and 80 as well on 8, and so on. Notice that in English it's the other way around. The 1 comes after the 40, from 100 to 112, or from the multiplications of 100, like 300 here. It's a little tricky. You can choose either to put an N in between or not. So you can say both 302 and 302. From 113 on, 113, we can't write an N in between. Notice that everything until 1000 is written in one word. From 1000 on, we put a space in between, as in 1222, 1323. Again, until 1012, and the multiplications of 1000, you can choose to put an N in between or not. So for example, 312,011. That is in Dutch, 312,011, or 312,011. Notice both spaces in and after the last N. So, one last thing to add, millions and billions are separate words, so there's a space before and after. If you say 3 billion and 12 million, it's 3 miljard 12 miljoen. Oh, and I forgot, 0 is null. And now you can count from 0, null, till 1000 billions in Dutch. Congratulations!